Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast here in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of Diecast cars, and today we have a 2020 Hot Wheels that we're going to be unboxing today. This is the Chrysler Pacifica in the first color, which is Metal Flake Red. This is from the Baja Blazers series number 2 out of 10 for 2020, and this is on USA card. 51 out of 250, scored this at Family Dollar a couple days ago. GHB 85 is the number from the Diecast. And Chrysler Pacifica, a Baja Blazer, is built for endurance and performance no matter what the terrain. Number 2 out of 10 with a 2017 copyright, but this is a 2020 casting. I looked it up because I'm a nerd, and this is the second color, which I've had since 2020. I've had this one since 2020 before I started making videos. This is the Metal Flake Black version. And here's the newest version. This is the white Chrysler Pacifica Treasure Hunt. And I actually scored this at a Dollar General like a month ago or so. Or like a few weeks ago. This is my first treasure hunt I've ever scored in the wild, so I'm going to be leaving that one in the packaging. And this is the one we are going to be opening up today. This is the red one. The first edition, which is the only one I'm missing, is the 2019 Hot Wheels Race Team one in blue. Alright, let's get this out of the packaging. Nice clean open. Baja Blazers Chrysler Pacifica. This is like a off-road version of the Chrysler Pacifica. This thing is really sweet. Let us take a closer look at this vehicle. Metal Flake Red, I really like it. Pacifica has a number 8 on the side. Goodrich and a bunch of other tampos on the side there. And we've got chrome Baja 5 wheels. This is like a souped up Chrysler minivan made since 2016 in the Chrysler line in real life. There's the front there. You got the off-road lights, the off-road brush guard, no painted headlights, and Chrysler Pacifica Off-Road Racing. Same tampos around. I mean, this casting is just too cool. I really liked it when I first picked it off the shelf in 2020 with this black one. And I like the spare tires on the back, kind of like on the Geo Terra, which I mentioned in that unboxing video. The other side there is that really nice top there. And there should be something else inside. I don't know if you can see that, but there is like a 4x4 inside the vehicle, kind of like on the Dodge van. This is a minivan. That gray plastic base says Chrysler Pacifica 2018 copyright, made in Malaysia. Here's a side-by-side of the two colors of the 2020 release Baja Blazers Chrysler Pacifica. Alright, let's see how it drifts. Nice. Thanks for tuning in, and subscribe for more.